Hi there, VCS families. Welcome to this video on how to submit planned absences in PowerSchool. Submitting a planned absence request helps to notify us about your student's absence ahead of time. It is submitted through PowerSchool. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser and head to our website. Just type www.go-vcs.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, click the Parent tab right up at the top left. Now scroll down until you see the Helpful Links section. There it is. Click on PowerSchool to head over to the login page. Just so you know, planned absences can only be submitted through a web browser. So if you're on the mobile app, it won't work. Make sure you're using a browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox on your phone or computer. Go ahead and log in with your PowerSchool username and password. If you're having any trouble logging in, check out our separate login help video linked below. Now that you're in, look at the menu on the left side and click eForms. This is where you'll find the forms you can fill out for your student, including the one we're here. Click on the planned absence form and fill it out. You'll enter your child's name, the dates they'll be out, and the reason for the absence. Here's an example of what you might write. To whom it may concern, I am requesting that John Doe would miss school on these days for a vacation we have planned. Take your time and make sure all the information is accurate before submitting. Try to submit your request at least 1 week in advance. After submitting, you'll get an email confirmation. The school will respond with an approval or denial in about 2 to 3 days. And just a heads up, 5 days is the recommended limit for planned absences each school year. Once everything looks good, just scroll down and hit that submit button. That's it. Please note, the information pertaining to planned absences is obtained from the Parent-Student Handbook and is given in the section above the planned absence request. Want to learn more about our absence policy? You can find all the details in the Parent-Student Handbook. It's linked for you in the video description. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to call the school office. We're always happy to help. Thank you. See you soon in another short video.